Hey everyone, it's Aaron from ABR Creations. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make the slip knot and the chain stitches. Let's start. So to make the slip knot, you need to make a X, making sure that your tail end is facing downwards and the working yarn end is facing upwards. Now take your crochet hook and go under the first bar and on top of the second bar, bringing that second bar under the first bar. Then gently let go of everything and pull the tail end tight enough to make a knot. Then pull your working yarn to make sure your hook fits properly. You have now made the slip knot. To make the chain stitch, yarn over and pull it through the loop on your crochet hook. It will create a small V. It will create a small V shape. Let's start by chaining 10. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we cut the yarn and pull it all the way through. Congratulations! You have now learned to make the slip knot and the chain stitches.